What's good, guys? So today is Monday, and if you're meeting me for the first time, I'm OLUWA-POUNDS by name. I'll be documenting my live trade here, and I'll be also sharing the signals to my group. So if you want to join my group, you go through my description. If you want to learn how to trade forex, you chat me up on WhatsApp. So therefore, now today is Monday. What are you expecting? As you can see from the 5 minutes time frame, remember we're a day trader. You trade every day. As a day trader, you need to be trading every day. You need to be trading every day. So guys, as you can see in our 5 minutes time frame, what are you seeing in a 5 minute time frame? You can see price have been going down. Price have been going to the downside. This is it. Price is pushing down in a 5 minute time frame. Now all of a sudden, price structurize a market structure shift. This is it here. This is a change of character, or you can call it market structure shift, and start pushing to the upside. But I think this upside will not last for long. This upside will not last, as I said earlier, will not last for long. So what are we expecting price to do? I'm expecting price to break below this particular area here, to break below this particular man here, below this area here. If price can break below here, giving me a breaker block, then I'll be making my entry from this junction. I'll be making my entry here, and my stop loss should be above here, not bigger than 20 pips, and my take profit should be this low liquidity here. This is what I'll be expecting for price this morning. So let's hope price might not even break down this particular low. Price might continue pushing to the upside, but once it's tired of going to the upside and it formed a mitigation or a breaker block, then I'll be forced to enter this market. Going down to a 1 minute time frame, you can see that price has already formed something there. But this is a 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame is always the weak, but I have already made the signal available. But I told my guys to hold on first for some confirmation. This is a break of structure to the upside that price caused in the 1 minute time frame, and as you can see, this is the high, this is the another high again, and this is the failure high. This failure high causing a mitigation block here. This is a mitigation block here. Price just tapped into that mitigation block and is already about to push to the downside. My stop loss will be above this particular area, and my take profit should also be below. My take profit should be, if I should enter from that 1 minute time frame, my take profit should be below this man over here. Exactly the same as here, below this one over here. This will give me at least 1:5.5. Yeah, almost 1:6. Let me say 1:6. Almost 1:6 risk to reward ratio. So guys, see you guys in the next video. Let's see how this goes. Okay guys, now looking at this, now this is what we have already here. The first entry has already gave us, I think, almost 1:2, and my boys at my signal group, my VIP group, got to the signal on time, so they started selling around this area. I've already told them to shift their entry to break even. Anything can happen. Remember, we are not the owner of the market. So now this is the second entry. The second entry, the price already tapped in already in the second entry, and is about to do what? Is about to bleed. So let's see if price can take us down here or down here. Let's see. Remember, this is, as I said earlier, this is a breaker block because price didn't. This is a failure swing, and price went down and break this particular auction here. So this is a breaker block. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. What's good, guys? So this is what I have here now. This is what we have. This CHF JPY. I'm on this trade already. I took this trade to my NI cycle. Those at my NI cycle are those that paid for my one-on-one mentorship. One-on-one mentorship. I'm having class with them privately on WhatsApp, one-on-one. They're not on any group, just one-on-one with them. So I took this trade with them, and I pray this trade goes well. So let's check an update on the GPUSD trade we took this morning. I think I told my guys to close out. I told them to close out because price hits our break even. And GPUSD The first entry to break even, while the second entry took us out. Let's check it. Okay, this is it. Wow. You cannot take us out and I want to start going on our way. It's not possible. You better take us out and start going up. Shit. So this particular one took us out. This particular trade took us out. This particular one we closed at break even because price gave us a 1:2. Price gave us 1:2, and I told them once we have a 1:2, shift your stop loss to 1:1 because price is not your base. Anything can happen. So price took us out before re-entering this particular one, and again took us out again. So therefore we made profit here and we made loss here. That's just it. Let's see what we have now. Let's see. Okay guys, see you guys in the next video. The only active trade that I have now is on CHF. CHF is the only active trade that I have. I pray the trade went fair and good. You understand? So this week will be very nice for us. You understand? If you haven't joined my group yet, do well to join. You understand? Do it to enjoy. Look at the trade here. This is a 15-minute time frame entry, and price is already going to the downside already. We are booming. We are risking 46 pips. This is a swing trade. We are risking enough just to get 174 pips. Okay, guys, a quick update on this CHF. Okay, so you can see now from the market price already gave us 1:1, I think. Let's check that. So our rating 48 piece. This is supposed to be a 1:1. 1:2. Price already gave us 1:2 already on this particular trade. But I'm still holding. You understand, guys? I'm still holding this trade, okay? This is the 15-minute time frame CHF update on it. I'm still holding this trade, and I told my students to also hold trade or set their stop loss to break even. Let's see if price can take out this low. Once price has already taken out this low, then I think we will be going down. If you can see a sweep of liquidity below here, we are going down. Now the GBP/USD smashed our stop loss and then took us to take profit. Remember this structure? This is the structure here. This is the structure here. This is where we made our entry. Our first entry was made around here. Our second entry was made around here. Yes, around there. Then as for this one, our stop loss was placed here, I think. That's the entry. That's just you guys remember the structure. So now what do we have here? Price just took us out and boom, that's our take profit. After taking us out, can you imagine? Because I remember I told you guys to enter in this particular area because that is a mitigation block there. So I told you guys a breaker block. So I told you guys to enter there. Our stop loss was below here, I think, and our take profit was below this particular side. So price took us out and take us to take profit. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Let's see how we can. What's good, guys? So you can see now, I think we should close this trade. Yeah, I'll tell my student to close this trade because we can't keep holding on CHF and just be ranging in this particular area. Price has just been ranging from here to here. You can see it. Price has been ranging. This is 15-minute time frame. Price has been ranging. So you can't hold on that. So you have to close. You have to close that and take the little profits that price gave us. I think that price did. See, a 1:2. A 1:2 is good. A 1:2 is good. So close up, guys. Let me send it to my VIP group for them to close up. So GBP/USD, we're waiting for GBP/USD. I'm waiting for GBP/USD. Yeah, what are we having here? You can see, just looking at the chart, we are going down. So I'm waiting for GBP/USD. So no market pattern, no market structure yet. Just a break of structure, the test to that structure and going down. This happened yesterday. This happened as early as in the morning. As early this morning before the London section opens, this already happened. A break of structure related to the origin and price pullback. So I'm waiting for a new form of structure to happen here now. I'm waiting for a new form. If a new form can happen within the open and close of London, if a new form can happen here now, then I'll be thinking of structurizing the form and making it a point of entry for us. Then I'll send it out to my group. So let's watch and see how it goes. I already give a signal on OLUWA-USD. That's for the VIP. I already give a signal, but I will tell you guys how everything went at the end of this video. Stay tuned. What's good, guys? So as you can see, this particular entry, we missed the entry. I gave a signal in my group. I asked them to set their buy limit on GBP/USD 5-minute time frame because I think it's early time for price to clear out all the liquidity residing in all this area. Although liquidity residing here, price has to clear them out. You understand? So, but unlucky for us, price didn't tapped in our entry before going up, so we missed this trade. So guys, if you're watching this video, just close out the entry, or I'll send them a message now for them to close out the entry. So let's close it out, and hopefully for us tomorrow we'll have something good. There's a fair value gap here. At this junction, there's a fair value gap there. So price related to that fair value gap and left us behind. And this was the origin that caused the break of structure. You can see the break of structure here. This was the origin that caused it. The break of structure, and price didn't even care going to that origin. Price just tapped in the fair value gap over there and boosted to the upside. No problem. So see you guys in the next episode, where we'll be discussing more about analysis.